Hi, my name's Jeff. Today we're going to talk about an example, a ChatGPT example, actually, that shows you the power of generative AI. And we're going to do that related to some car inspections. So stay tuned, we're going to jump right to it. So for those of you stationed in Germany, you're going to feel this pain. Our car registration process tends to be a little slow. So you sign up for a queue and it could be weeks before you're seen, but you don't really know when you're going to be seen. You just have to keep checking your position in the queue. So ChatGPT can help us with this because we can track what the queue does every night, how many people are still left in the queue before us, and it can give us an estimated date in which we'll be seen. So how do we do that? We write here inside. Now I happen to be just collecting this information in Evernote. You could store it anywhere, by the way. Evernote has nothing to do with what I'm talking about. But here, I'm just saying, give it a little heads up of what I'm doing. Not that ChatGPT really cares, I don't think. But here, I cannot have an appointment for any of the following days as they are closed. And I list out their closed dates. Now, you can put in, well, I'm not going to, it's going to be closed 24 through 25 and 30 through 2 September. But what I found with ChatGPT is that it likes things really spelt out if it can get them. So it doesn't take me much effort to give it more detail here on the dates. And then it for sure makes sure that it's closed when it runs its calculation. Then I say the line is long. I don't think ChatGPT cares, but again, I'm trying to talk to it like I'm talking to an individual. And this is a key when using generative AI. Speak with it as you are talk to it like you speak with others. Because it's designed to do that. So try to just talk to it like it's another person. All right. So anyway, so here I've listed out all of the days that I've been waiting, right? The days I've been waiting and where the numbers are. Okay? 22 August, 23 August, I'm at 677. Then I ask it, when am I going to be seen? Additionally, I have to deregister a vehicle. So I want to give I need a 3 days heads up before my car registration so that all the paperwork clears. So I've asked it for that date as well. So I just copy this text right here and I drop it into ChatGPT. And then I hit go. And it will go through and do the calculation. It's pretty fast. Here you can see it's calculating for me all of the days and how many positions I moved. And then it gives me an average. So they're moving at about 90 people a day is what they're seeing. Whether they're seeing that or people are just dropping out, doesn't matter. The number drops by 90 because we're taking the average of those 5 days. Now, here you can see it kind of says what's going on, so I can get a little comfort around this. Saturday and Sunday, DMV's closed. I'm calling it DMV. That's not what they call it here. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday because of the holiday weekend. And then it goes out and tells me what position I'm going to be in. So on the 6th of September, I'm at position number 48. If they see 89 people a day, then I will be seen on that day. And so you can see this based on what this looks like. You'll likely be seen on Friday, 6th September, and your deregistration 3 days in advance because it's closed. It's figuring this out because I've already told it you should start the deregistration 3 days before 6th September, not counting the days they're closed. And then it goes on and says, hey, you need to start your deregistration process by Tuesday, September 3rd. So great little product, great way to track this. And then I just track that information inside of here. So we're good to go. So if you want to use that, just copy this down. Where was I? I'll go back to that Evernote. Just copy this text down and you'll be able to do this all on your own. I'll put this in the comments so that you can copy this if you choose to. Good luck. Bye.